Baby? Carly, I was kidding. Carly?
Evan?
Sweetheart? Hey, guys, hold up. Guys, hold up for a second, all right? Baby, seriously, this isn't funny. Oh, jeez, God! Baby!
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I could have killed you, woman. I'm extremely dangerous.
You want to know why I love you so much? Because you're so fun to play with.
So why you love me? That really scared me, baby.
Sorry.
That really scared me. Would you not do that?
Hello!
There's nothing like stating the obvious, huh?
Whoa, whoa. Hey, baby, look at this. Woo! Hey, Carly, I think this would be a good time for you to find your eyes. Oh, God.
Okay, that is not funny.
Look who's scared now. Sorry.
Whatever. Just get me to a motel room, run me a very hot bath, and be prepared to provide me with a lot of orgasms.
I think they need to be alone.
What do you expect? They just got engaged.
They're happy. It's a hard thing to find.
Yeah.
Got it?
Limber tongue. Got it.
You're stupid.
Maybe we shouldn't have left Francine and Evan.
Don't worry. We're fine.
You guys okay?
Super.
Well, wait, guys. This road isn't on here.
That's because you don't have the Redneck World Atlas.
I think we've just been saved, kids. Can I get a...
Woo-hoo.